What's going on, everyone? Welcome to part two of our weekly forecast and analysis and market analysis on also on what we are looking at in the coming weeks. Okay, so I'm going to start with NSD. So you can see yesterday, as we did this analysis at night, there was some sort of like an expanding channel over here. I'm going to show you. Then you see that we set here our stop loss above here. We're actually anticipating a move or to the downside, because remember the 90% rule is that this thing is going to play all the way down to this level over here. So let's look at how it's played out. So you can see that already it's already moved into profit. We are looking at maybe 57 pip into profit. This is 1 hour time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that it actually gave me this an expanding channel over here, but there was something interesting that I saw here. It was this ascending structure over here. Then I knew that this was my sell, so I set my sell limit over here. Then you can see that 128.5 stop loss. Okay, then of course I am targeting this part over here. So I'm talking about a 5.34%, and you can see that already we are in the move, and this thing has given us there was another flag over here. If you can see that there was another flag that has actually formed over here, of which we could have scaled in here. um, you could have scaled in, let's say, somewhere around here. Let me put this one over here. Maybe have 23 stop loss, pip stop loss, and then can see that on top of your 5%, then you see that you are adding what? You are adding another 5. That's a 10% in just one trade. So this is beautiful. So definitely we are going to expecting more flags to scale in, to scale in, to scale in. So guys, don't worry. Even if you seems as if you have missed out, no problem. More scaling ins are coming, and that's why if you want to catch this move, my VIP group is open. You can join today, and it's very cheap and very affordable for you. All right, so that is NSD. Look at USDcad and USDcad. Oh my goodness, that has also played out perfectly. Okay, so USDcad. So look at USDcad. So there was an impulse move, some small correction here, another impulse move. There was a very beautiful flag over here, and I knew that this thing is gonna play out to come to this top over here to give us maybe a double top over here, maybe before we see sell. Then you can see also this one is a scoop. It's formula a scoop over here. So of course I'm expecting this move to the upside. And look at that. So if I go to maybe start from the 4 hour time frame, not 4 hour, maybe 1 hour. Yes, so you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, you see that we had this flag over here. If you go to come to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the flag had formed perfectly. So and then it gave us another flag over here. So put my buy stop over here, put my stop loss below here, just as 40 pip stop loss. Then what am I targeting? I'm targeting this top over here. We're talking about a 7.26 percent. All right, and then you can see that already the market is playing out. Is actually 57 pips in profit. Okay, so that is what we are looking for. There are going to be more scaling inside here, guys, so don't worry about that. You can join my free Telegram group as well. The link is in the description. Once I see some of these setups, I can send some free signals over there, and you can actually benefit from that. Let's look at USDCHF. Okay, USDCHF, and I'll start from a higher time frame. Okay, and what am I looking for? I'm actually going to wait for long-term sales. You can see that USDCHF has been trending to the upside, especially from this level over here. You can see that it's been very moving to the upside. As you can see that it gave us this ascending structure over here. Then you can see that it came down, then it's come back. So see, it just formed, the scoop that I normally talk about. All right. So what am I doing? You can trade this buys to this level over here, but what I am waiting for is I am actually waiting for this market on top over here so that I can enter over here and hold this. This is going to be a long-term sell all the way. Even if I'm targeting this level over here, even if I'm targeting this level over here, you can see that in the long run, I'm actually targeting a 19.23% trade with a lot of scaling ins inside here. All right. And if I'm trading all the way to the trend line, then we are looking at a what? We are looking at a 20%. Okay, so that is a beautiful structure over here that is forming. So you can see that I've set this thing over here because I'm actually waiting for this market over here. Once it comes over here, then gives me a confirmation of sales. Then I'm in. Then I'm holding this at 20.5 percentage. All right, let's go to USDJPY. USDJPY. Okay, so you can see that USDJPY, if you go to the higher time frame, the daily time frame, you can see that it's really been it has been having a very strong impulse move to the upside. Then when you got up here, you can see that it gave us a structure over here, right? Give us a structure over here. Then you can see, let me go to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that it was quite corrective over here. And then we actually looking for sales. We thought we were, if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, I'll explain the reason why I do this here is because for me to enter these cells, I was waiting for this market to give me this. I was looking for a breakout, then a correction, then I can be able to enter this trade to the downwards over here, right? Then what did it do? So let me take away this. I remain with this because of this double bottom of it. And this, I'm going to cover this on the next episode. Normally the market will do this. Okay, you see that the market will break out, all right, and then give us a structure over here, which is actually a very beautiful structure. When we don't normally, when we see this, we are so happy because these are because here we know that most people have been caught on the wrong side of the market, thinking that, oh, it has broken the double top, definitely is going to buy, and then look, the market comes back inside. If I go to the 1 hour time frame or even the 4 hour time frame, see, look at how it does. It breaks impulsively, then it breaks back. Okay, so normally the moment it breaks, many people have entered their buys, their stop loss here, then it comes back, and then you see that it comes back all the way and continue to sell. So from the 1 hour time frame, I might, once it gives me this over here, then I might be interested in sales to the downside up to this level over here because of my 90% rule. Okay, so I am patiently waiting to see that. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that it's actually forming. It doesn't matter whether this flag is facing downwards, as long as we are coming from a breakout, it doesn't matter where the flag is facing. Okay, and that is another thing that we are going to cover in one of the episodes, because remember, a descending structure is actually a buy a setup, but now it depends on where it has formed. Okay, if for example it has formed down here, there definitely is a buy. But if it is coming out from a breakout, then what are we doing is we are expecting what? We are expecting maybe sell. We are expecting sell. So even if you have a 47 pip stop loss, and then maybe you are targeting this level over here, talking about 2.5, or maybe if you want to be above there, remember you are trading on the breakout, okay. Or what you can do is you can wait for this market to actually give us this, okay. Give us the moment it gives us this, then we can see that we can either enter here a risk entry, okay, maybe with a 25 stop loss pip, okay, 25 pip stop loss, and then target a 6%, or you can enter at the breakout over here, maybe with a 41 pip, the target over here, that is actually almost a 3%. Okay, I did this wrongly. Says this one, then we are entering on the breakout over here, talking about the 30 pip, then you see a 4.4. Right, so that is actually what, when I see this, then I'll be interested in sales on USDJPY. Right, then let's talk about gold. Okay, gold from the daily time frame. Okay, beautifully made. So you can see that gold has, we are coming from an impulse move correction, but there's a correction here, then there's an extension of this correction over here. So you can see that there was this structure over here. That is the reason why gold did what it did on Friday. And I was telling some people that I am not surprised at how gold behaved, is because of this structure over here. So remember, guys, market structure is king. Don't joke with market structure at all. So the moment you see there was one, you can see that there was 1, 2, and 3 touches. Then what I was expecting. Then there was also this was a buy structure. Then I was expecting a move to the upside, at least up to this level. And you can see it played out exactly up to there. So it's not a surprise. It's not a surprise for me at all. Then what happened when we got up here? You can see that there was this structure over here. So definitely these were very beautiful cell setup. So maybe if I remove this over here, okay, and maybe go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that gold gave us this pattern over here. Okay, right, that's pattern over there. Then what definitely could have entered put your sell stop over here, maybe put your stop loss somewhere around up over there. Then yeah, then maybe you're targeting this low over here, which is a what, which is a 5%. Then what happened? Look at that. Then comes in, then just breaks, tags you in, and then it's down, and then give us another flag. So if you are late to take this one over here, then definitely there was a what? There's another entry that is forming over here. So you can see, you can actually put your sell stops over here and see how this is going to play out. So you can see I already could have tagged you in. So you can see actually has broken that. Okay, so let me delete these ones quickly. At least our charts are clear. You can see how to look at these markets. Okay, then definitely you see that here there is a flag that is forming, so you can actually draw that and maybe go to the 1 hour time frame, see how many candlesticks you're going to get, or maybe if you're trading the 15 minutes, depending on your personality, then maybe put your sell stops over here, put your stop loss, and you can take advantage of this move all the way to the downside. So that is on gold. That is on gold. Yeah. Then let's look at US30. Okay, beautiful US30. So from the daily time frame, oh my goodness. Okay, I was actually expecting this thing to play to the downside. You can see my arrow over here. And because we are actually on a what? Actually on a descending channel, then there was this structure over here. Okay, so you see it was moving to the upside. Then once it got here, there was a breakout, and then it was actually consolidating on the sideways. Then there was an impulse move, correction, impulse move. So all these are corrections that somebody could have taken advantage of. So let me take away this. Let's look at US30. So you can see my US30 on the 15 minutes time frame. Last night there was already, I saw this flag. There was actually a breakout. This was a direct sell. The stop loss over here, and then targeting this level down over here. And look at that. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see exactly how we had targeted. This actually almost coming to the end because we are actually entering this market over here. Then our stop loss was just above this level over here. Then our target was this. It was actually a 3.29%. You can see that is actually almost coming to completion, which is also the same thing with German 30. Okay, German 30 was actually the same thing. You can see, let me show you. So you can see from the 15 minutes time frame, immediately the market opened. This one, this was a direct just sell. You see 15 minutes time frame, sell immediately over here, put your stop loss up here and target this level over here. And look at that. What happened? Let me take this out because it has actually formed only one. Let me play one. Good. So that's how it was last night while we were doing analysis and looking at the market. So definitely we'll have entered sales immediately the market opened. Then just put your stop loss above this high over here, somewhere over there. And then what's your target? Let's look at this. Okay, so the target could have been maybe this trend line over here. You can have targeted this level over there, right? Or overall, we are looking at because of this higher time frame structure. If we look at this, this is quite this is quite corrective. So definitely immediately after the breakout, I'm looking at this market to play all the way to this level over here. Okay, so let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame, and then let's play this out and see how it behaved. You can see that immediately the market was open. What happened? Just hey, just went straight down. Just one candlestick of 15 minutes, and it could have just hit your 2% just like that. Yeah. And let's say if you are targeting this level over which is actually a 6%, what could have happened? Let's see. So it went down. Wow, this is amazing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So where are we now? That's where we are in structure. Okay, so you can see that here definitely it has given us an expanding channel over here. Okay, looks like an expanding channel over here, which you can trade at the breakout, or you can wait for it to come up here. Then you enter over here, put your stop loss just above this, then target down. But you can see that these flags, they work like magic. Okay, guys, they work like that's why I said market structure is key. Don't joke with market structure at all and what the market is telling you or giving to you. All right. Finally, let's look at Nasdaq. Let me go back to my list. Let's look at Nasdaq, which is actually almost the same setup. You can see that that's actually played out, or we were targeting this level here. It was actually almost a 3%. Let me show you. So you can see in US100 after this flag, there was a very beautiful. I mean, these were amazing setup that were ready. This is just to, and the moment the market open, you just enter, put your stop loss above, and target these levels over here. And look at how it played out. It played out amazingly. Okay, so if we cut this over here, so that's how it was last night while we were doing analysis. Okay, guys, so we entered here. Then you see it was actually a 2.97%. Entered your sell here, put your stop loss just above this. Then look at that. Immediately the market opened, deep profits, deep profits. Then look at that, continues to play out and play out and play out and play out and play out. Look at that. And where are we now? That's where we are in structure. Look, we have actually completed what? We've actually completed the setup. Then you can see that actually went to 3.44%. So guys, these things are very powerful, and don't joke with what? Don't joke with whatever we are teaching. The episode, watch the episodes, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let them take advantage of this. If you want to reach out to me, my Telegram group is on the link below. You can reach me on Telegram. You can reach me on Instagram. Whatever you are, guys, these things are powerful. If you want to join my VIP membership group, whereby we do analysis together, hit me up, guys, and let's kill this thing. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX. Very soon, episode 2 will be out. That's what you're working on out all right now. So just be on the lookout. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out, guys, in the video that is going to, in the episode that are coming on. Thank you so much for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.